Hello, beloveds. Welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? How are you getting on with Christmas preparation? Speaking of Christmas preparation, I brought you all a delicious vegetable stew recipe that you can enjoy and serve with rice, yam, bread, yeah, anything, name it. But today, we're serving this with rice and salmon fish. So guys, you're all welcome. Let's get started. I will start off with adding a pinch of salt, basil, oregano, paprika, and 1 spoon of oil. And I'll massage this properly into the salmon so that it will get absorbed fully. So if this is your first time of stopping by to my channel, you're highly welcome to this channel. My name is Victoria and this is Victoria's Kitchen. If you love this recipe, I want to see more of my delicious recipes. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, turn on your bell notification so that anytime I upload a video, you will be one of the very first to get notified. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the consistent support. I do appreciate. God bless you all. So guys, as you've seen, I'm done marinating the fish. So I'll just pop that into the oven to bake. So now moving on, we're going to go ahead and prepare our stew. So in a pot, add any preferred oil. Okay, here I'm using coconut oil. Once that is heated, add onion, ginger, and scotch bonnet pepper and mix properly. So after like about 3 to 4 minutes, I'll go in with my chopped tomatoes, okay? This is a canned tomato, but you can use the fresh one, and I think the fresh one will do better. So I'll stir that in, allow it to keep frying. So now I'll go in with my bay leaf. Bay leaf is a very good spice. It gives this aromatic flavor to your food. So when you're making your stew, your jollof, just pop in one in there and you will love the outcome. So, and I've also added my sardine. I love sardine. It gives a very good flavor as well to food. And I also added my spices. Okay, you can use any spice of your choice. So once this is all added in, I will stir properly to combine, okay? And then allow it to keep frying, say like about 6 to 7 minutes, and it will be done, okay? So beloveds, our stew has been frying for a while now. So now I'm going to go in with my green leaf. This is spinach, but you're welcome to use any green leaf of your choice. And I know it's going to turn out well as well. So I'm just going to combine all of this together and allow it to simmer, okay? So beloveds, at this point, our stew is ready to be served. Now you can now serve it with your rice, yam, bread, anything that you prefer. Thank you so much. And if you notice, I added a little bit of water because the stew was on a thicker side. I rarely used water for this, just a small amount of water will do. So beloveds, this is the final look. Look at how the salmon turned out golden brown. It is looking so delicious. The oil that we added helped to, bring out this golden brown color. So thank you guys so much for watching up till now. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and let me know what you think about this recipe, whether you're going to be making it for your family. It is so healthy, nutritious. I tell you, you can never go wrong with this stew. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to share, okay? Share it to your family and friends, and I bet they're gonna love it. Thank you so much again, and I'm gonna see you all in my next one. Stay blessed and keep walking by faith and not by sight. Bye. See you later.